has Tribe done for me? I think the question is more, what has Tribe done to me? Not only has it totally taken over every part of my life and my mental space, but it's taken over my apartment. This is my apartment in New York, and here is my workstation. And you can see, there's Tribe, there's Tribe. That is my closet. That's where I do my work every day when I have inspiration and ideas. It's my closet. It's taken over my closet. There's the box. Tribe has completely taken over every part of my life. And with that, what has it really done for me is I feel that I'm finally doing what I've always wanted to do, and I'm doing with this amazing group of people. And so Tribe, even though it has taken over my apartment, it has given me a home. And I feel that Tribe has given me a place where I feel like I found my tribe.